Hi everyone! For those watching the video and who have not yet read the accompanying article, which you can find in the description, this video will showcase how to create voice-based automations, how to receive responses from the assistant regarding the actual status of the entities controlled by the automation, the benefits of using this automation compared to simply asking assist to perform the same task. In particular, I'll explore how to turn off the light in my garage simply by saying, assist a magic trigger phase. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos. Here are the prerequisites to have this automation running. Home Assistant version 2024.2.1 Cloud Assistant configured. It requires Home Assistant Cloud, a paid subscription. More details in the description link. Shelly 1PM mini device. More details in the description link. Of course, you can use different hardware depending on your setup. Now let's start exploring how to create the automation. Go to Settings. Navigate to Automations and Scenes. Create Automation. Select Create New Automation. Type the code for the trigger section. Now type the code for the condition and action sections. Save, and now let's see how it works. Come back to the dashboard. Turn on the light, open Assist, and say the magic phrase configured as trigger in the automation. Chiudi garage.
Luce box interna è off.
The light has turned off and Assist also has provided the current state of the light. This is, let's say, the full-featured automation achieved through the YAML code in the action section. Let's see the code. The wait template waits for the state of the light to be off before setting the conversation response. Now let's see how the automation behaves by removing the YAML lines related to the wait template and the set conversation response. Chiudi garage.
Done.
In this case, the automation turns off the light and says done as default response. Let's see also how the system operates by asking Assist to turn off the light with the automation disabled. Spegni luce box.
Ho spento luce, box.
In this last case, the light has turned off, but Assist simply has confirmed the action without reporting the current state of the entity. You can type the code from the screen for free, but in order to help you save time and avoid making any mistake, I have created a pack for this automation so that you can just use it to set up everything super easily. You can download the pack just for the price of a coffee through the coffee link in the description, and in the meantime, you are supporting me to keep this channel alive. I truly hope you have found this new video helpful. To stay ahead with the latest tips and tricks and the in-depth guides, ensure you are subscribed to my channel. Bye bye!